Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this very beautiful purple look, and so let's just get right into it. So I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids with concealer. Today we are going to be using the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsession palette. I love this palette so much. So first we are going to be going in with that pink shade on the bottom left hand corner that I just pointed to, and we are going to be applying this throughout our crease with a Morphe brush, gradually building it up so it is noticeable throughout our crease. Next, I am going to be using that slightly darker shade of purple and applying that right where I applied that same shade, and this is just so it gives more dimension to the whole look. As I said before, you wanted that first shade to be placed very pigmented so that it could be shown and blended in with this shade that is slightly darker, because afterwards I am going to go in with this even darker shade of purple and with a different brush, a more precise brush, apply that to my outer corners. As you see here, I am making sure that they are even and that they blend in very nicely with the crease. But don't worry about that too much, because we are then going to go in with that same blending brush that we used in the beginning and go ahead and blend out any sharp edges that there may be. This may take a little bit of time, but be patient with yourself. The last shade, I am going to go in with this stunning iridescent shade, and look at that, it's so beautiful, and I'm applying that directly with my fingers so it can get the most pigmentation, because I feel like it applies the best this way. And with that same outer corner brush, I'm going to go ahead and just slightly go over everything just to make sure that, again, there are no sharp edges, because you want it looking flawless. So to continue with foundation, I'm using this NARS Radiant foundation. I love this foundation. As you can see, it looks so natural, yet it gives me so much coverage. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the rest of the foundation on my face. But this is seriously my go-to foundation other than the Too Faced Born This Way. I am again going to be applying this Giordana concealer. If you have seen my recent videos, you will know that I'm going to be doing a review on this concealer. So that is coming up, but I have not yet tested it out by itself for an all-day wear test. So I decided to mix it in with my tried and trusty LA Girl concealer, and I am applying that just right under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and the sides as well. So I'm going to just go ahead, blend that out, and then apply this translucent NYC Smooth Skin powder. I love this powder so much, and I totally suck because I didn't record this part, but basically I applied Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer as my contour, the Too Faced Cocoa Powder as my bronzer, and from the Becca and Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop collection, I applied that blush along with this blush from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade Dandelion. I am then going in with this shade Croquette, and it is basically a lippy from ColourPop. I was stamping it at first, and then I ended up just swiping it. The real ones know that I love baking underneath my contour, so that's exactly what I did, and now I am swiping it away from my face just so that I can clear everything up. I am then grabbing this Caudalie mist and drenching my face in it. I love it so much. I'm going to go ahead and grab that Jaclyn Hill palette one more time and mix Prosecco Pop and Champagne Pop and apply that to the high points of my face, including my cheekbones, my brow bone, and also on the bridge of my nose, just so it gives a little bit more life back into my skin. To finish off the eyes, I am going to add highlight to my inner corners and connect it to that beautiful shimmer shade I placed in the beginning, and also grabbing that brush that we used for the outer corner, and with no excess product, just running it through my lower lash line to give it some color because I felt like it needed some. And finally, for my final step this time, I'm going to grab this e.l.f. mascara, and I really do like it. It made my lashes kind of pretty long and separated, and I'm just going to apply that to my lower lashes to just give it that little pop. And this is the completed look. I love the purple hues. If you guys would have seen my outfit, I probably have a picture of it on my Instagram. It is linked down below. It matched my outfit so perfectly, and I really love the way it worked out. I love this palette so much, and I hope that you guys love this look as much as I do. Bye!